In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add any website to your home screen in Brave on Android and iOS. If there are sites you open every day, adding them to your home screen is the fastest way to get there. This creates a shortcut that looks like an app icon and opens directly in Brave, so you can jump in with one tap. Start by opening Brave on your phone and navigating to the site you want. Make sure you're on the exact page you plan to visit most, like a dashboard, inbox, or a specific article collection. Once the page finishes loading, tap the three dots to open the menu. From the menu, choose Add to Home Screen. At this point, your next tap depends on your device. On Android, Brave may let you edit the shortcut name. When you're ready, tap Create Shortcut, then confirm any prompt to place it on your home screen. On iOS, after selecting Add to Home Screen, tap Add on the confirmation screen and approve any prompts from the system. In both cases, Brave hands the request to your phone, which creates an icon on the home screen for quick access. Now look for the new icon. When you tap it, it opens that site in Brave right where you left off. It's perfect for services you check often, or for turning a favorite tool into something that feels just a tap away. For some websites, you may see an Install App option instead of, or in addition to, Add to Home Screen. That means the site supports a progressive web app. Choosing Install App gives you an app-like experience without a full App Store download, often opening full screen with its own icon. If you prefer a simple shortcut that opens in a normal Brave tab, go with Add to Home Screen. Either way, you're not installing a traditional app, you're just creating a faster path to the content you use. If you don't see Add to Home Screen right away, make sure the page has fully loaded and that you're on the latest version of Brave. Also, a concise name helps the icon fit better, so shorten it if the option appears. That's it. Open the site, tap the three dots, choose Add to Home Screen, then create shortcut on Android or add on iOS and confirm. Your shortcut is ready and your favorite site is now